Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best soundbar for Philips TV, that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Philips B8405 Soundbar. The Philips B8405 is an excellent soundbar that provides exceptional sound quality. It is compatible with Dolby Atmos and DTS Play-Fi to provide surround sound. It can also be controlled by voice assistants and is compatible with Amazon Echo devices. The soundbar is equipped with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This will allow you to stream music from your gadgets. Its power reaches 240 watts, which is strong enough for rooms large and small. It also has a 2.1 channel configuration. The Philips B8405 is a great option for those who want a soundbar with surround sound and to enhance the capabilities of their TV. Moving on at number 4, we have the Philips B7305 Soundbar. The Philips Audio B7305 Soundbar is a 2.1 channel soundbar that delivers richer, deeper, cleaner sound in your favorite movies and shows and creates great sound quality thanks to its 300W power. It supports Dolby Digital and is equipped with a wireless subwoofer for bass enhancement. The soundbar connects to your TV via HDMI ARC, which allows you to control the soundbar's volume with the same remote you use for your TV. The distinctive geometric design and low profile look nice in any environment. The Philips Audio B7305 is ideal for enhancing your home theater experience. At number 3, we have the Philips B8905 Soundbar. The Philips B8905 Soundbar is a high-end soundbar that provides excellent sound quality. It features Bluetooth and Wi-Fi support, as well as a wireless subwoofer for bass enhancement. Dolby Atmos delivers immersive sound, and DTS Play-Fi compatibility makes it easy to stream from your favorite music apps. The soundbar also supports Amazon Echo devices and voice assistants, making it easy to control with your voice. AirPlay 2 and BT support lets you stream music from your iPhone or iPad, and a built-in HDMI input makes it easy to connect to your TV. This is a great soundbar for Philips TV and other TV brands. At number 2, we have the Philips PB603 Soundbar. The Philips PB603 Soundbar is a 320-watt 3.1-channel soundbar. It features a powerful and slim wireless subwoofer for improved bass power and Dolby Atmos support for immersive surround sound. There are 2 HDMI in ports for 4K transmission and an HDMI out, ARC, port that lets you control the soundbar with your TV remote. And transfer your favorite songs and playlists via your smartphone using the USB port. The special center speaker in the soundbar provides superior voice clarity and crisp, sparkling dialogue. This soundbar has good enough features and sound that will give your time spent watching TV a lot of fun. And finally at number 1, we have the Philips B5305 2.1 Soundbar. The Philips B5305 Soundbar is a great addition to any home theater system. It features 2.1 channels, Bluetooth and HDMI connectivity. The soundbar has an expressive geometric design and provides total system power up to 70 watts, which is suitable for small rooms and bedrooms. The wireless subwoofer adds depth and dimension to the sound. The soundbar also comes with a remote control for easy operation. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.